Let's practice do and be in question and answer. Listen and repeat after me. Do you work here? Yes, I do. Are you working here? Yes, I am. Do you work here? Yes, I do. Are you working here? Yes, I am. Do they work here? Yes, they do. Are they working here? Yes, they are. Does he work here? Yes, he does. Is he working here? Yes, he is. Does she work here? Yes, she does. Is she working here? Yes, she is. Does it drink milk? Yes, it does. Is it drinking milk? Yes, it is. Do you live here? Yes, I do. Are you living here now? Yes, I am. Do they live here? Yes, they do. Are you living here now? Yes, they are. Does he live here? Yes, he does. Is he living here now? Yes, he is. Does she live here? Yes, she does. Is she living here now? Yes, she is. Does it fly? Yes, it does. Is it flying now? Yes, it is. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. Are you drinking coffee? Yes, I am. Do they like coffee? Yes, they do. Are they drinking coffee? Yes, they are. Does he like coffee? Yes, he does. Is he drinking coffee? Yes, he is. Does she like coffee? Yes, she does. Is she drinking coffee? Yes, she is. Does it bite people? Yes, it does. Is it biting the men? Yes, it is. Do you clean the house? Yes, I do. Are you cleaning the house? Yes, I am. Do they clean the house? Yes, they do. Are they cleaning the house? Yes, they are. Does he clean the house? Yes, he does. Is our cleaning the house? Yes, he is. Does she clean the house? Yes, she does. Is she cleaning the house? Yes, she is. Does it climb? Yes, it does. Is it climbing the tree? Yes, it is. Do you visit your family? Yes, I do. Are you visiting your family? Yes, I am. Do they visit their family? Yes, they do. Are they visiting their family? Yes, they are. Does he visit his family? Yes, he does. Is he visiting his family? Yes, he is. Does she visit his family? Yes, she does. Is she visiting her family? Yes, she is. Does it sleep? Yes, it does. Is it sleeping now? Yes, it is. Do you like working? Yes, I don't. Are you feeling well? No, I am not. Do we stay here? No, we don't. Are we going there? No, we aren't. Do they know the reason? No, they don't. Are they answering me? No, they aren't. Does he love her? No, he doesn't. Is he kissing her? No, he isn't. Does she talk to him? No, she doesn't. Is she looking at him? No, she isn't. Does it fly with wings? No, it doesn't. Is it running with legs? No, it isn't. Do you want a divorce? No, we don't. Are you coming to break up? No, we aren't. Do they help people? No, they don't. Are they working hard? No, they aren't. Does he work alone? No, he doesn't. Is he stealing money? No, he isn't. Does she work together? No, she doesn't. Is she working with a man? No, she isn't. Does it fly like a bird? No, it doesn't. Is she eating meat? No, it isn't.